the other way. You see the threads? Check it out. You
Like
see the
this?
threads? The threads is right here. You see it?
Huh?
Right here. So you're going to thread in like this, and then the plug, this part right here, that's where the wire connects to. Don't fight it. Try and find the threads. All right, now try and thread it in there. Oh, Jay, look. Don't fight the threads. Look for it. Lift it up. Move it around. Don't fight it, Jay.
I'm not fighting them.
Just slowly like that. Hey, no. Take your time. Find the threads. Jay, here. This part will help you. You're going to grab it and turn it. Don't push down. Just turn it and then go up and down with it till you find the threads. Yeah, hey, come down. Look. Like from right here. See this? Go like that. See?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it going up? Try to use your right hand since you're right-handed. Crack kills. Now you threaten it? You threaten it. Threaten it. Go in there. Is it turning in? Try and turn it in. Screw it in. There you go, bud. Right here. Grab the socket. Grab the socket with an extension. Just pop it right there. And then turn it.
Okay.
There you go. Let me help you out. Let me help you. There you go. Now turn it. You gotta make sure it's hand tight. Make sure you don't cross thread it. That's right, bud. Yep. And then when it gets snugged, we know it's not cross threaded because I just chucked it. Here. Put this ratchet right there and ratchet. Make sure the ratchet goes inside that extension. You're breathing hard. Is it hard?
No.
It's just the way you're sitting now?
Yeah.
Is it snug?
Yes.
It don't have to be. That's good, huh? Put my sock out. Remember, pop it. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna break.
Okay, I don't know.
There you go. Look at the camera. Give me a thumbs up, man.
Yeah.